Fun with Phonics with Mrs. Yerke.
Good morning, boys and girls. For our phonics lesson this morning, we're going to be focusing on a few different sounds. One of them is augh for awe, and another one is ly for the ul and the e sound at the end. Now, oftentimes, ly is a clue for you that this word is an adverb. An adverb describes an action word and tells you a little bit more about it. For example, he runs quickly. Quickly tells you a little bit more about the action word runs. So quickly is the adverb. Here are some examples.
The boy runs quickly. The girl jumps happily. The teacher does a headstand steadily. So very steadily.
Now it's time for some reading and games with our sound spelling patterns of the day. So this is our long E card. Let's look at all the ways that we can spell long E. We have E by itself, E blank E, EE, and even EA. That's not always a way that we think of. Lastly, we have Y, usually at the end of a word, as we can see by our line here. Let's play Hang Spider to practice. Okay, I've got my pen ready. Are you ready, Harlow? Mm-hmm. Okay, so our first word has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spaces, and we know that it's possible it might be one of the sound spelling patterns that we're practicing today. All right, go ahead and make your first guess.
D.
Ooh, very good. We do have a D. Try again.
E.
No E in this word today.
A.
A is not in my word. Try again.
L.
L is in my word. We have 2 L's in my word.
Y.
Amazing! You must have thought about our sound spelling pattern of the day that Y at the end of the word can make the E sound. So we have so far L, D, Lee. What could be in the middle? What do you think, Harlow?
O.
Oh, it looks like you know it now. Oh, I'm putting the O in the wrong place. That's okay. I'm going to take that O and move it over here. Okay.
U.
Oh my goodness, you knew it.
Loudly.
Loudly is correct. Great job, Harlow. All right, let's look at another sound spelling pattern that we're going to practice. We have the bird card says aw like hawk, and it can be spelled A-W and A-U. Oh, and the tricky one today, A-U-G-H. Oh my goodness. Time to practice. Okay, our next word for hang
D.
spider, hold on, has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 letters. It's a big one, and she says D. Oh my goodness. Very first letter. Okay. Think about that sound spelling pattern we're focusing on. What do you think, girl?
A.
I think she knows the sound spelling pattern. A is correct.
U.
U is correct.
G.
You really know that pattern we're practicing. G and
H.
H. So far we have D, augh, D, augh. Let's take another guess.
E-R.
Oh, you know the word. Oh my goodness. T-E-R, Harlow. What is the word?
Daughter.
Nice reading, my daughter. Excellent job. Okay. Here we go, first graders. We're going to do some reading now. Here we go. The first word is ease, e, easy. Next word is e, happy. The next word is, oh, too fast. City, city. And the next word is air, e, carry. And the last word, family. Very good reading, everybody. Let's read another word. Loud, e. Oh yeah, we practiced that already with Harlow. Let's try another one. Qu, I, k, ly, quickly. L, ate, ly, lately. And softly. Okay, I'm going to ask Harlow now. Harlow, what spelling pattern do you see? There's two letters that we see at the end of every word. What are those two letters?
L-Y.
L-Y. You've got it. Now those L-Y at the end of the word help us know how something is done. It's called an adverb. So we know if someone shouts loudly, it describes the action shout. If they run quickly, that describes the action run. So these are some ways that these are adverbs. Let's read some more words. We have, here's the tricky one. K. Okay, 4 letters to spell aw, caw, t. The word is caught. T. Aw, t. Taught. We have d, ought, daughter. So Harlow, do you remember the sound spelling pattern that we practiced that says aw?
A-U-G-H.
A-U-G-H. Very good, because that is a tricky one. All right, let's read some more words. We have t-a-p, tap. Okay, let's look at the next one. T-a-p. Starts the same. P, d, tapped, tapped. Notice we have to double the consonant before we add ed. Tapped. The next word is op. I bet we're going to have to double that consonant again to add ed. What do you think, Harlow?
Yeah.
Here we go. Opt. Stopped. There's the double consonant, 2 P's, and then we added ed. A little more reading here. We have b, os, Bossed. Hurried. Hurried. On these two words, again, we had to add ed. Ed tells us that it's past tense, that it already happened. Let's look at this word here. We have smiling, smiling, and dirtied. Now we're going to play Touch the Mystery Word. The horse ran blank to the barn. Which word do you think it could be, Harlow? The horse ran
Quickly.
quickly. You got it. Quickly to the barn. Oh, look at that. I shrunk it and made it tiny. Quickly. The book was blank to read. What do you think, Harlow? Easy. You got it. The book was easy to read. Wow, these are easy for you. The last one is someone blank me on the shoulder.
Tap.
You got it. Line 4, tapped. Someone tapped me on the shoulder. Great job. Thanks so much for helping me today, Harlow. I hope you had fun at home, boys and girls. Don't forget to do your phonics books.